Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to create rubric in an assignment. First of all, you will have to log in to your Google Classroom and this page will appear on your screen. Now we will click on any class in which you want to create an assignment. Let us suppose I will click on 10th green. Then this screen will appear. Now I will click on classwork. There you will find a create button. You will click on this and you'll find assignment option there. You'll click on this assignment option and will reach at this page. Now you will have to write the title of your assignment like I wrote here, trigonometry assignment number 2. Now the next field, which is instructions, if you want to write any instructions, you'll have to write the instructions here. Now if you want to attach some PDF file to your assignment, you will have to click on the add option. Then there is a file option. You have to click on this. Then you have to select your file from your device. So I will select my file now. So now we'll upload this. Okay, so now you can see here the option student can view file. You will click on this. It all depends on your requirement, which option do you want in your assignment. So in my case, I will keep students can view the file. Now if you want to send this assignment to all the classes, you'll just have to take the classes here. So I'm clicking on 10th purple as well as 10th yellow. So then you'll have to write here points. Now you'll have to, if you want your assignment have a due date, so we'll click on there. So I will click on 6th. So this is my due date, Monday, July 6th. Now there is topic. You have to click on this and I will click, since I am mathematics teacher, so I will click on the mathematics. Now very important, the rubric. Now we'll click on the rubric. There are three options: create rubric, reuse rubric, import from sheets. We'll click on create rubric. There is an option criterion title. Okay, so it depends on your requirement. In my case, I will write here question number 1 and in the description I will write solve the question and don't miss any step. So this is my description. Now I will allot the points to this question. So let's suppose I will allot 10 points. Now you have to give level title. Let's suppose this title is excellent. Then you will have to write in the description. Let's suppose description is correct answer. Then you'll add here level. It all depends on you how many levels you want to introduce. So another level I will keep now points to 8. I will write in the level title good and in the description I will write correct answer but some steps are missing. And I will create another level. I will write here points 0. It means it's a wrong answer. So I will write in the level title here bad, and in the description I will write wrong answer. Okay, so this is one of our criterion. Now if all your criterions are similar, you will have to just duplicate your criterion. You'll find here three dots. You'll click on that, so you will get an option duplicate criterion. So I will click on that. So I will just write here question number 2, then I will again duplicate it. I will write here question number 3. Since in my assignment there are 10 questions, so I will write here question number 4. Again I will duplicate this. I will write question number 5. I will again duplicate, and I'll write here question number 6. I will again duplicate this. I will write here question number 7. Now I will again duplicate and write question number 8. I will again duplicate the criterion, and I'll write here question number 9. I will again duplicate criterion, and I'll write here question number 10. So since in my assignment only 10 questions are there, I wrote up to question number 10. So now you'll save this criterion, you'll save this rubric. So our rubric has been saved. Now check if the points listed here, if the points allotted here are same as that in the rubric. It should be same, like in the rubric it is 100 points, and in this I should also write 100. So now I will assign this assignment. So now my assignment has been created. Here you can see. So thank you so much.